Japanese New Year, a complete guide to traditions, food, and celebration. Welcome to Japan in your pocket, your go-to guide for Japanese culture. Today, we're diving into one of Japan's most important and cherished holidays, Shogatsu, or Japanese New Year. This isn't just about counting down to midnight. Shogatsu is a time for reflection, family, and tradition, and it's packed with unique customs you won't find anywhere else. In this video, we'll explore the history and evolution of Shogatsu, iconic traditions like Hatsumode, osechi ryori, and joya no cane, how families spend this special time, and how you as a visitor can experience it. Whether you're new to Japanese culture or planning to visit during the new year, this guide will give you everything you need to know. Let's get started. 1. The origins of Japanese New Year. The roots of Shogatsu stretch back over 1,000 years, heavily influenced by Chinese lunar calendar traditions. Originally, it was tied to the agricultural calendar, marking the start of a new season and a chance to honor deities for good harvests. In 1873, during the Meiji era, Japan officially adopted the Gregorian calendar, moving New Year's Day to January 1st. Despite this change, many of the old customs, like shrine visits and symbolic foods, remain integral to how Shogatsu is celebrated today. Host tip. Even now, some regions in Japan still celebrate Koshigatsu, Little New Year, later in January, preserving those lunar calendar traditions. 2. Preparing for the new year, a fresh start ōsōji, year-end cleaning. In December, Japanese families engage in ōsōji, or big cleaning. It's more than just tidying up. It's about purifying your home and life to welcome the new year with a fresh start. Think of it as a physical and spiritual reset. Nengajo, New Year's cards. Another key tradition is sending nengajo, or New Year's greeting cards. These aren't your typical holiday cards. They're personalized, often featuring the Chinese zodiac animal of the year. Post offices guarantee delivery on January 1st, making it a delightful tradition for both senders and recipients. 3. New Year's Eve, traditions to end the year right, joya no cane, temple bells. On New Year's Eve, many people visit temples to hear joya no cane, the ringing of temple bells. The bells are struck 108 times, symbolizing the 108 earthly desires in Buddhism. Each chime represents the cleansing of a desire, helping people enter the new year with a clear mind and heart. Toshikoshi soba, year-crossing noodles. Another must-do on New Year's Eve is eating toshikoshi soba, or year-crossing noodles. The long noodles symbolize longevity and resilience, and finishing your bowl is believed to cut off the hardships of the past year. It's simple, delicious, and meaningful. Host tip. If you're in Japan, you'll find toshikoshi soba available in almost every restaurant or even convenience stores, perfect for visitors. 4. New Year's Day, a time for family and tradition. Hatsumode, first sunrise. One of the most symbolic moments of New Year's Day is Hatsumode, or the first sunrise of the year. Families and friends gather at scenic spots, from mountaintops to beaches, to watch the sunrise and make wishes for the year ahead. Fun fact, Mount Fuji is one of the most popular places for Hatsumode, drawing crowds even in the cold winter air. Osechi ryori, the New Year's feast. The highlight of New Year's Day is osechi ryori, a traditional meal served in tiered lacquer boxes. Each dish has a special meaning, bringing good fortune for the year. Datamaki, rolled omelette. Success and learning. Kazunoko, herring roe. Fertility and family prosperity. Kuramama, sweet black beans. Hard work and health. Prepared ahead of time, osechi is designed for families to relax and enjoy the holiday without worrying about cooking. Otoshidama, a treat for kids. For children, otoshidama is the best part of Shogatsu. Adults give kids envelopes filled with money, often decorated with festive designs. The amount varies by family, but for kids, it's like hitting the jackpot every new year. 5. Traditional games and entertainment. Hanetsuki and takoage. Traditional games like Hanetsuki, a badminton-like game, and takoage, kite flying, are popular during Shogatsu. They're simple, fun, and great for bringing families together outdoors. Karuta, a classic card game. Another favorite is Karuta, a card game where players match phrases or poetry. It's both entertaining and a way to connect with Japan's literary heritage. 6. Hatsumode, the first shrine. Visit in the first days of the year. Millions of people visit shrines or temples for Hatsumode, the year's first prayer. Visitors toss coins, clap their hands, and bow, making wishes for health, happiness, and success. They also draw omikuji, or fortune slips, to see what the year holds. And don't forget to grab an omamori charm for good luck. Host tip. If you're visiting during New Year, popular shrines like Meiji Shrine can get very crowded, so arrive early. 7. How foreign visitors can enjoy Shogatsu visiting Japan during Shogatsu. Here's how to join in. Try osechi ryori or toshikoshi soba at a local restaurant. Visit a shrine for Hatsumode and draw an omikuji fortune. And watch the sunrise at a scenic spot for Hatsumode. Just remember, many businesses close during the first few days of January, so plan ahead. Shogatsu is more than just a New Year celebration. It's a time of renewal, gratitude, and connection. From its ancient roots to its modern traditions, it reflects Japan's deep appreciation for balance and harmony. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Japanese New Year, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Japan in Your Pocket for more cultural insights. Now, which tradition would you try first? Osechi, Hatsumode, or Otoshidama? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year, or as we say in Japan, Akamashite omedetou gozaimasu. Mata ne!